Hey guys, it's Timmy here with Clanktronics. So I got another super clearance item at Walmart. Hart tools keep on clearancing stuff off. It's all about what season it is. You know, if we're getting towards winter, the lawnmowers and weed eaters and all that stuff are gonna go on clearance. So I'm kind of curious how this thing's quality is, you know, like it was a really good deal though. Right now it was so cheap that you wouldn't even be able to buy the batteries and the charger for the same price because it comes with two 4 amp hour batteries. And so far the cardboard is really durable. It's got like quadruple layers. So if you're looking at ordering one of these online and having it shipped to you, at least it's got some strong corners. But the handles have that grit stuff on it. I'm not sure how long that's going to last, but it looks like this will be pretty simple to set all up. Everything just falls out of that box. So we've got one 4 amp hour battery, 20 volt. And here's another one. These are really nice, by the way. I've got the shop vac, and I noticed that the batteries will die super fast in the vacuum cleaner. So it's really nice to have these 4 amp hour batteries around to use on that too. So let's get the rest of these out. Yeah, those are pretty thick. This is my first unboxing video really setting up in this spot right here. I'm really working on it. So this just comes with the 2 bolts, the little deals, and just rip that open. I'm sure I'm going to need it. Long instructions or something. I'm sure you guys don't read instructions either. Alright. It's kind of tricky to get it out of the box. I almost feel like just destroying it. Yeah. It has staples in the corner right here. There we go. That should make it a lot easier. Because that's just going to all fold up. Alright. Okay, get that huge box out of my way. Oh my gosh. Alright, really simple. This is great. So I've got a bolt and screw in this already. Looks like that's super easy to set up. And twist that on. Not sure how that blue piece is going to go on there, but it has something to do with holding the bag up. Knocking my bolts off. Let's see here. So there we go. It had like a single twist in it. I don't know if I did that or not, but so you just get that all lined up. And you know, a good reason to watch my videos all the way through is to see how I actually ended up putting it together, because really I might be putting this together wrong because I'm not reading instructions right now, but I feel like this is about right. And please subscribe, guys. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get my store's name out there more, really. I have a retro video game store and a used bookstore in La Grande, Oregon. pretty large bookstore. They're kind of extinct these days. Looks like I need to turn that bolt around. And that's exactly what I mean, guys. It's good to watch my videos all the way through. Like them. I'll keep on getting better at making videos too. The more time I put into it, the better I'll get at it. And I do a lot more than just unboxing videos, guys. I make silly, weird little videos. And, you know, electronics repair videos. And, you know, retro game collecting. Stuff like that. Oh. I might have to look at the instructions, but let's see. I feel like that thing would just hover in here somehow, but you know, that's why they come with instructions. That's all about the battery. And that. A lot of times I'll just go off the picture, but that doesn't look like it will work. For this one, first off, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm not sure how like watertight this is going to be, but it's not like you're going to be mowing the lawn in the rain. I don't think I would recommend it with an electric lawnmower. Who mows the lawn in the rain anyway? It's not a good idea. If you're mowing the lawn in the rain, you should stop doing that and pay attention to the weather a little bit. I don't know. So we got... Alright, geez. Okay, so I did that right. That's good. It unfolds more. So that is a little strange. Trying to see where this metal piece goes. It's part of the bag, so somehow I have to hook that piece around this. And let's see, how does it make sense here? Like that. I would think that this would go up. Okay, so the handle, that's what this is the top of the bag. So that's gonna have hearts. It's gonna say heart up, like that. And, well, that fits this bottom piece, so I'm just going to start hooking it on. This thing looks pretty cool. My lawnmower is so dead. Like, the thing has way too many miles on it, or whatever you call it. Like, it's mowed a lot of lawn, and this will be a lot more convenient if I need to take it anywhere else. Okay, this thing's kind of a pain. You just gotta bend these little pieces of plastic. So if you guys are having trouble putting this on, I completely understand. And I'm hoping this video helps you out. If it does, please like this video and check out some of my other videos. Check out my whole channel. And I do other things, so I've done a lot of Hart tool unboxing videos, that's for sure. So, you know, I had a hard time figuring this out from looking at the instruction manual, by the way. Like, this is kind of weird. I've never, you know what? To think about it, I've never bought a new lawnmower before in my life. I've always gotten them for like free on the side of the road. So this is all new to me here. But okay, this has two nice little notches that hang in there, really nice. So that definitely goes just like that. And let's see. I don't know if I can really test this out right now. I mean, I guess it won't hurt anything on top of this wood. Just make sure there's nothing that could get caught. So this is the charger it comes with, and if you're curious, it's only a 2-amp charger. I would say, you know, getting one a little bit bigger of a charger would be smart. So it just has just one, I guess. You know, that really surprises me. This thing seriously runs off of just a 20-volt battery. I thought it was going to be 2 combined. So if you're curious about that, that's what it seems like to me. I don't see any other spot. There's only one. And let's see here. I guess there's, let's see if this thing's super annoying or not, guys. That is amazing. The thing is so quiet, and the 20 volts definitely powerful enough. I am really excited to use this thing, and I'll try to do a review on this eventually, guys, but it's coming up on winter around here. That's why it's clearanced out. And it's a good reason to subscribe, guys.